our time of standing pat, of protecting narrow interests and putting off unpleasant decisions, that time has surely passed.
What did she tell you about Germany? Has she had any unpleasant experience as an African woman in Germany in the 80s? And the second question, you visited Germany twice, but you broke with the tradition of your predecessors to give interviews to the media of the host country before.
It's an unpleasant vote, but it's been a routine vote that Congress does periodically.